Jack up vehicle and place vehicle on jack stands. Remove the passenger front wheel. The sensor is located behind the crankshaft pulley. It is the blue sensor. We will have to remove the crankshaft pulley to get to the sensor. First, let's start by unplugging the pigtail, which is located next to the oil filter. Next, remove the serpentine belt. Using an 18mm socket, remove the bolt holding the crankshaft pulley in place. Next, you will need to use a gear puller to pull the pulley off the crankshaft. The pulley has 3 M10 by 1.5 bolt holes where you can place a gear puller. Be careful not to damage the threads inside the crankshaft in this process. Next, you can remove the 2 8mm bolts holding the blue sensor in place. Place the new sensor. It is also a good idea to replace the front main oil seal. Route the wire through the metal clip to keep it out of the way of the pulleys. Clean the old RTV off of the crankshaft pulley. Place new RTV onto the keyway to prevent oil leaks. Align pulley with keyway and replace. Wiggle the pulley on. You may need to hammer the pulley into the keyway. Reapply the 18mm bolt and torque down. Replace the serpentine belt. Next, route the pigtail between the engine block and the air condition compressor. Be sure to start the car before reassembling the wheel to ensure the sensor is working properly.